CODESYS is the leading IEC 61131 manufacturer of a software automation suite, and I'm heading the product marketing team here. We're here showcasing CODESYS Virtual Control and CODESYS Virtual Safe Control, both soft PLCs running in a container. So they are really virtual PLCs, and they're running here on Toradex devices. The customer problem is that they need today multiple devices for special control applications. And the idea is to consolidate hardware by installing or deploying multiple instances of such a virtual PLC on one and the same hardware. Yes, it's an industrial trend to realize software-defined manufacturing. This is more and more a popular topic in order to reduce hardware. This is one topic, to reduce the dependency of the hardware, and especially in order to be prepared for Cyber Resilience Act, for more easy maintenance and things like that. There's a real interest in such a solution, especially due to the fact that we have realized a safety application or a safety control system without hardware dependency. This is really revolutionary, and we show it here for the first time on a Toradex device, which is not yet released. It will be released in 2026, and somewhere in summer. We will have a certification according to IEC 61508 SIL3, and this is a very revolutionary thing right now.